is happening, you filthy animals? Today is Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. Let's not forget all those that laid down their lives for us and, you know, gave the ultimate sacrifice of their own life for our freedom. So I very much appreciate that. And okay, these guys are gonna kill me right now. Okay. Yeah, so I very much appreciate everyone who has sacrificed their life for our freedom, and I think you guys should too. But anyways, on to happier things. I started cruising about 3 hours ago. Jumped on the road and started headed west towards the Smoky Mountains of North Carolina. So I'm headed that way to my buddy's property over there, and gonna do some camping and hiking and shooting and anything and everything that is fun outside we're gonna do. And the weather looks like it's gonna hold up for at least a couple days while I'm up here, so that's awesome. I think I'm gonna modify my trip a little bit. I was gonna extend it through this next weekend, but man, I don't know if I'm gonna make it to Nashville. This drive has been like, the drive 9 hours up, and then this drive is like 5 hours to get to his spot, and then it's gonna be a whole nother 8 hours just to get back home. So I might shorten this trip and make another trip where I just fly up to Nashville. Also, I want to make a trip up to DC because I have friends that live there and I've never been, so I think that would be awesome. And just start flying a little bit instead of driving so much as of like just right now, and get to some of those places that are a little too far to drive, so that I can actually experience them. I think that's going to be awesome. But anyways, yeah, just cruising. I have about 2 hours left, 130 miles, so I'll get there around 5 o'clock. Gotta stop and get some gas before we go into the boonies, where we're gonna lose cell service and all civilization is cease to exist. That's where we're going. So
What is happening, guys? Today is Wednesday and I am at the top of a mountain. I got a lot of video yesterday and pictures of the camp spot, but as you guys can see, got a little fire going for breakfast, the tents, the inu, and most importantly, our trash hung up to keep away from the bears and mountain lions and anything else I can eat you out here, or eat your food, I guess. But yeah, it was a good first night. It's probably gonna rain tonight, so we're gonna probably call it. My friends definitely called it, but I think I'm gonna call it as well. We had a good night here, but I'd rather not be cold and wet. And then all my gear will be wet for when I leave tomorrow, so I'd rather not do that. And I haven't decided what I'm gonna do, if I might camp in Georgia or not on the way down. It's about a 10-hour drive back, so that'll be interesting to say the least, but we'll make it work and we'll see what happens.
He's so cute. I think you're out.
Oh jeez, almost died. All right, it's good stuff. I got it on camera too. Oh, I'm about to eat shit. All right. All right, we made it.